Hey guys, welcome to an unplanned video. Plan for today was me and Mike were meant to go up the market, which, yeah, as you guessed, completely failed. Mike's still in bed, so I've had to come up with Scooter Sue. To add to that, we weren't able to find what we were looking for, so yeah, bit irritating. Anyway, there's the other market, the Spanish market. Probably my favourite one because it is quite a bit more Spanish, like it's more a market for the locals. Just a brilliant market, and it's of course up here on Avenida de Foites, and if I zoom in a bit you can just about make out the Benidorm football club up the back there, so give you a bit of an idea where it is. Gonna head down here now, trying to rush a bit as well because of waiting for my Mike, not knowing what's going on. Time's got on, so like it's now gone up 20 past when, and Scooter Sue's got a live stream at 3. So yeah, thanks a lot, Mike, for bollocking my day of filming up. I hope someday I'll do it to you, you little sod. So at the current moment of filming, the Parc de Foites is currently closed. I don't actually know why either. I think they are building something in there maybe. Not really too sure, but not the only part they're building in, guys. Just show you up there. Nice little stroll. I wonder if he knows he's pushing one of them barriers up the road. One of the police barriers and got caught to his fan because of the wind. Anyway, Parc de Foites not the only part they are building in Saturday, of course. As many of you may know, the park, the top of Avenida de Europa, they're building something in that as well. I'm not too sure what's been built in there though, so you may have to go check out Lucy's video for that. But it is a bit stupid because, I mean, there is a fair bit of nature in that park, which, because of the building going on, are just getting destroyed. Bit windy today out, but it's still quite warm actually. Not surprised. Right, I think what I'm going to do is cross over and show you the park area. Do have some hidden secrets up here consumed there, as well as a little casino. Okay, try cross over here maybe.
Sí, voilà. Cada
So there's the Park de Foites. I don't actually know what's going on in there. But seems like there's some red barriers up back there. Have a look at that. If you want to pause and have a read at that, maybe translate it, be my guest. Just don't know, it's on the memorial there. Memorial, whatever you call it. Getting a turn around now and head back down to Main Hill. I think Park de Foites, well, the whole sort of area of the Foites is probably one of my favourite areas of Benidorm, because I mean, yeah, it is just quite calm and relaxed. I mean, to be honest, this is where when we first came over, I learned how to ride an e-scooter. I used to ride it up all the way up here, ride it back down, try not to fall off. And we use this area because it was quite local, to be honest. Literally just across the road from where we lived. Temperature today probably 20 degrees. Yeah, but 20 degrees, maybe more or less. Bit of a sort of built up area around here as well. All the apartments around here. And of course hotels. You've got Hotel Carlos I believe that is. Yeah, maybe Hotel Carlos one. And there are another stayed there, let us know down below. Oh, that actually looks shut as well. I think they're having a refurb job. Yep, does seem like they're having a refurb job. Some of the balconies look a bit unloved, and as usual, you got the brown toilet paper in the window. A few nice little hotels up there as well up the sides. Don't be afraid to book into one of these sort of less known hotels, guys, because half the time they'll probably be cheaper than your bigger, more well-known hotels. Plus, you'll probably have more fun staying there. Yes, they're probably more sort of based for the Spanish, but you just get the experience, or get to try new food, stuff like that. The next hotel coming up is the Los Ramblers, I think. I'm not too sure, but looks a pretty huge hotel, that, guys. Pretty huge. Looks quite a nice one as well. I'm not sure. We'll find the name out in a minute, guys. It is the Foites Park Hotel. That's where it is. I'm sure someone was asking about that a few days back. Then, of course, the Rambler is next door and shut. Then, of course, if that's coming out, you got the sign there, Park de Foites, and behind the tree there, Christmas tree, still up middle of January. No idea why. Anyway, guys, hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon.